the other program have too many extensions, which can install on your application and will add more ability to it. For the example, I want to use Live View extension. Download the Live View free extension from the official website. The exact Adobe's extension file is .zxp file, so you need to extract it to see the ZXP file. On this website, you can find the links to download installers, over here or here. You can find 4 ways to install ZXP extensions. We select the best one, AEscript website ZXP installer. Download the installer and run it. After the installation, just drag your ZXP extension on it, and it will install on the application automatically. You can find your extension in Windows menu and Extensions section. Thanks to watching this tutorial.